Hey guys, so much time has gone by since the last time I actually vlogged, like actually spoke with you guys. It's been like 2 weeks. Come on, Ween. I knew she wanted up. Get up here. Alicia's currently in New York. So we've got 2 dogs in the apartment. Yes, we do. Okay. She likes to be up in your face at all times. It's so sweet. Anyways, the last 2 weeks have been so wild. I have been struggling. I somehow like pulled my neck in Pilates, and as you guys know, I do Pilates often. This was nothing new. I clearly did something to my neck before going into this class, because the first move we did for the day in that class was holding a plank, and I felt within 5 seconds of holding that plank, I felt my entire left neck and left shoulder seize up. Chloe May, do you want up too? Oh my goodness. Do you want up too? Come on, get up here. Come on. You got it. Get up here. Come on. Gosh, you guys. Mother of 2, I tell ya. Go on, get up there. She loves to sit up top. Okay, well, I got pushed to the side, but that's fine. So anyways, I had to go to the doctor. I had to get a neck brace. You heard me correctly. I had to get an anti-inflammatory shot in my butt, and I had to get muscle relaxers because I literally couldn't lay down or get up. It was the craziest thing. I had to hold completely still. Luckily, Jackson is an angel and took good care of me. Can you twist it around?
Twist it around?
Like once it's on top.
This is as good as it's gonna get. This is as good as it's gonna get.
That's good. That's perfect. But I was basically out of commission for a week, and then the second I started feeling better, I got sick. And I've had a cold for the last few days. I'm finally getting over it, but man, your girl has been struggling the last couple weeks. It feels so good to be finally feeling a little bit better. I'm definitely still congested, not quite fully over it, but for the most part, I got through the thick of it, which is exciting. But all that to say, I haven't been vlogging so much because I just felt like death and honestly looked like it and didn't feel like vlogging. So I was finally able to go to Alicia's and go through all of my PR stuff. I ordered some organizational drawers for my office here to put my PR in, but I don't even think I realized how much PR I actually had at her house. It was a lot. So I'm actually super excited because I'm gonna do a giveaway. I feel like I haven't done a giveaway on here in quite some time, and I honestly am just so grateful and thankful for you guys. You guys have been there for me and supported me through super high highs and very low lows, and you guys have been a constant in my life, and I'm just so genuinely thankful for you. I wouldn't be able to do content creation full time if it wasn't for you guys, specifically you guys on this channel. So I really wanted to take a moment to appreciate you guys and thank you guys for all that you do. So I have decided to do a giveaway, and it's actually going to be 3 giveaways. Yesterday, I divided all of the PR into 3 categories. We have the wellness forward category, which is all just wellness, mostly skincare things. The second category is makeup and beauty, and that's all just going to be makeup products. And then the third category is hair, and that's going to be the hair giveaway. So the next 3 videos are going to be giveaway videos. And then for the giveaway, I don't want it to be complicated. I just want it to be super simple. Make sure you're following me on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And in the comment section for this video, I want you to comment what your favorite type of video is that you like to watch from me. That'll be fun / educational for me for videos moving forward. The first giveaway is going to be the makeup and beauty giveaway. This is so big. I have so many products in here. We have mascara and eyeliners and lip liners. I added a perfume just for fun, but there's eyeshadow palette, so many goodies for you guys. I did steer clear of like foundations because obviously companies only give me my like light fair shade. So to be fair to everyone, like I'm not going to be adding any like concealers or foundations or anything like that. But other than that, anything you could possibly need for makeup will be in the beauty giveaway. So today's video is going to be the makeup giveaway. Follow me on everything and comment your favorite type of video that you like to watch me do. And yeah, I'll announce the winner in the next video that's coming up after this. Hopefully all of that makes sense. I will also have like the rules and everything in the description box just to make sure everyone's clear on everything. But yeah, good luck with that. I'm excited and just, you know, so grateful for you guys as always. So I mentioned this a couple of vlogs ago, but I found out that I had been paying for an editing service that I used literally years ago. And it's so embarrassing, but I did not realize that I was still paying for it years later. It's an editing software that helped me with a Vlogmas thing a while ago, and I just completely spaced and did not realize I was paying for it monthly. Rocket Money is an all-in-one personal finance app that helps you cancel subscriptions, lower bills, and manage your money better. Thank God for them, because I went down a rabbit hole of unsubscribing and double checking and making sure that my money is not being wasted without my knowledge. There are so many different ways that Rocket Money can literally change your life. Obviously, the first one being helping you find the subscriptions that you forgot about, making sure you cancel them, or making sure that you are at least subscribed to the ones that you want. Rocket Money can actually help you lower your bills, which is absolutely incredible. It'll scan at your finances and find ways to save you money, like negotiate on your behalf with your phone bill. And my favorite part is Rocket Money will actually help you create a personal budget for yourself, totally customized for you and your family. The app will show you where all of your money is going, as well as identifying your top spending categories and giving you insight into like how to stay within that budget. And I don't know about you guys, but creating budgets has always been difficult for me. So having something to help guide me along the way and just kind of create that outline is monumental. And Rocket Money analyzes your accounts and helps you determine the optimal time to save. Essentially, Rocket Money has your back in every way. So take control of your finances today and go to rocketmoney.com/AshleyNichole to get started for free. So go to rocketmoney.com/AshleyNichole, or you can click the link in my description box to get started for free. And you can also unlock even more features with premium. A huge thank you to Rocket Money for sponsoring today's video and for helping me and you and all of us save money. Back to the vlog. I think I got my drawers. Okay, something that I can attest to is that moving, but specifically moving in with someone, is a really great way to force yourself to get rid of things. I think with the townhouse, I got to keep a lot of my stuff and add more to it because I had so much space and I could do that. Even though this is a 3-bedroom apartment, I'm splitting it with someone. So I don't have as much room. All that to say, I'm very proud of myself. I've gotten rid of so many clothes. I have finally gone through the PR and I'm getting rid of half of it, you guys. I'm giving it to you guys, which is awesome. All of the products that I know I'm going to use, that I use religiously, that I want to keep for myself, to keep for my family and friends, it should all be able to fit in here. And that's gonna be a challenge sometimes, and other times it's gonna be easy. So I would like to keep this as kind of like my gauge. When this is full, it's time to go through it. This comes with wheels, which is awesome. The thing that sucks about this new place is the lighting's just awful. This is the best lighting that I can get in the kitchen and it's the middle of the day. It's like 2 p.m. and it's not great. The only thing I can do is like put a ring light on me, but then you can see it in the marble, which is annoying. Anyways, I'm gonna have to figure out a better lighting situation. I don't know how, but when I first toured this place, the lighting was great. And then I came back again and the lighting was great. And now I'm like, where? When? Anyways, I digress. I got Lazy Susans. The cabinets in this apartment are incredible. They're huge. They're absolutely massive. Alicia had these in her house. Remy has them. So I decided to do the same thing. The cool thing about these ones, they're from Amazon. They can go in the fridge. They can go in your cabinets. They can go in your bathroom. They can really go anywhere. And it comes with a pack of 4, which is incredible. So I'm thinking one of these are going to go in the fridge to hold sauces that like need to go in the fridge. And then maybe 2 of these can go here and hold different things that we cook with. Spices, sauces, stuff like that that doesn't need to be refrigerated. I'm going to scoot things around just for now. So, voila. Tall things that won't fit in the drawers, but that we cook with often should go there. Boom. This salt, garlic. I absolutely love them. I'm gonna have them linked below. Okay, there she is. She looks so cute. She's actually holding like all pickled things. I didn't plan that, but there it is. We've got pickles, we have hearts of palm, we have a couple types of kimchi and olives and red peppers. I'm really happy with this. And again, I'll have that linked below. Literally nothing makes me more depressed than this time change. I don't care that the mornings are brighter. I hate that by the time most people get off work, it's pitch black outside. I hate it. It's 4 o'clock and the sun is very much setting, which is just devastating and honestly gives me like the tiniest window of decent light in the house. Okay, it's the last time I'm gonna say it. It's the last time I'm gonna say it. In other news, I'm also super anxious a little bit because Chloe's been having a very hard time staying at the apartment by herself. Like when I leave the house to go run errands or work or whatever, I have been, this is embarrassing, I have been dropping her off at Alicia's because she has been barking relentlessly and I'm terrified that the neighbors are going to complain. So I have been dropping her off at Alicia nonstop, which is amazing that Alicia's so close and it's amazing that Alicia's so sweet and letting me do that. But it's so unrealistic, especially for me, because it takes up so much time dropping her off, picking her up, dropping her off, picking her up. However, I did purchase something. It's a collar. It buzzes, like vibrates, and makes a beeping sound whenever there's barking. And this is my first time that I've left her in the house with it on. And I put it on a low setting. Again, I don't think it's going to be crazy because Rosie's there. I just hope that it's not like freaking her out. But also I want it to freak her out a little bit so that she'll just stop barking because it's gotta stop. But I hate this feeling. Imagine one day with kids. Like that's gonna be nuts. How'd we do? How did we do? Okay, good. Oh, okay. I even had white noise going for them. Just make it a little better. Okay, did we do okay? Okay. Oh, looks like we survived. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. Now, originally, I thought this lighting looked super yellow, but now it looks really great with all the lights on. Should I have been doing this the whole time? I don't know. Comment down below if you like this lighting, even though it's kind of yellow. Little grocery haul. We got some Skinny Pop. I got a whole brand new thing of Puffs Plus with lotion and Vicks. I already got into it. Got some eggs. I'm going to hard boil half of these. Stocked up on some Poppies. Doc Pop as always. And then I am very obsessed with their cherry cola. Stocked up on my almond milk. I'm obsessed with my coffee when it has almond milk. If it doesn't have almond milk, I don't like it. Ginger. Got some crackers, some smoked paprika, and some wipes. And that's everything. Oh my God, I'm tired. All right. Like I said, I'm feeling a lot better than I was a few days ago, but decided to just add a little bit of a like oomph to the healing process. I love Creations juices and their health shots. I think they're incredible. They're brutal. They're a little strong, but like I love them. This is their sea moss plus feel better fruit and vegetable shot. This has sea moss, lemon, water, ginger, turmeric, cayenne salts. The ginger, turmeric, cayenne. Cheers. Oh, it's honestly, it's not that bad. And then on top of that, I'm doing an antidote shot. This is apple, pineapple, ginger, lemon, mint, garlic, leaf, and flower, thyme, and oregano oil. Cheers. Oh.